Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're trying to audit your website's authority without dropping a single dime, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're unpacking the top 11 free backlink checker tools that are practically guaranteed to reshape your 2025 link building strategy. So let's just jump right in.
You know the feeling, right? You've poured hours into your site, researched and optimized every single word, but the traffic just isn't there. It's frustrating. But search engines need more than just stellar content. They need cold, hard proof that other people actually value it. And that proof? It's all about backlinks.
To get you set up as a digital detective for your own site, we've got a quick 6-part roadmap for this explainer. First, the backbone of SEO. Then the industry giant free checkers, specialized desktop tools, quick everyday scanners, decoding the metrics, and finally, building your actual link strategy.
All right, starting off with Section 1, the backbone of SEO.
Just to set the baseline here, every backlink is basically a digital endorsement. When a high-quality, reputable site links to you, they're essentially waving a flag to search engines saying, hey, this content is a trusted reference. It's pure digital word of mouth.
Now, here's the absolute vital distinction you've got to keep in mind: the link type. Search engines really only evaluate do-follow links when they're crunching your authority score. Sure, no-follow, sponsored, or user-generated links from, say, blog comments, they drive awesome referral traffic, but they don't directly move the needle on your organic keyword rankings. It's a huge difference.
I absolutely love this analogy from the source material. Imagine your online presence is a massive crime scene. A backlink checker is like a magnifying glass, letting you examine a single, crucial fingerprint. These links are the literal fingerprints proving your credibility to the ultimate judge, Google.
Moving right along to Section 2, industry giant free checkers. Okay, so it turns out you can totally hack together the biggest names in the business entirely for free. You can use Ahrefs free checker for a quick look at your top 100 highest quality links. Then pivot over to SEMrush to hunt down and disavow those toxic, spammy links holding you back. And of course, Google Search Console is an absolute must, handing you up to 1,000 links of raw index data directly from Google itself. It's the ultimate free trifecta.
Next up, Section 3, specialized desktop and niche tools.
If you're tracking dozens of competitors, you already know browser-based tools can get seriously laggy. That's where SEO SpyGlass comes in. It runs right on your desktop, meaning it handles massive datasets without breaking a sweat or crashing your tab. And crazily enough for a free tool, it hooks right into Google Analytics and lets you research unlimited domains.
Then we have a true OG in the space, Majestic SEO. Launched way back in 2008, they don't even try to be an all-in-one suite. They focus strictly on link analysis. That laser focus gives you access to their proprietary trust flow and citation flow benchmarks, which measure quality and quantity on their own unique logarithmic scale. Pretty cool, right?
Looking at two other fantastic options, SEO Ranking gives you this amazing backlink gap analyzer. It's basically a cheat code for discovering link building opportunities your competitors have already snatched up. On the flip side, the SEO Review tool pulls all your health data and link weaknesses into one streamlined dashboard. Talk about a massive time saver for your research.
All right, into Section 4, quick everyday scanning tools. When you're short on time and speed is everything, these are your rapid-fire solutions. Small SEO Tools is perfect for sneaking a quick peek at a competitor's strategy. Backlinktool.org, that handles your weekly check-ins for lost or gained links. And Seobility is awesome for instantly grabbing your top 400 most impactful links, giving you 3 free checks every single day.
Now, if you're slightly obsessive and need up-to-the-minute data, Open Link Profiler is phenomenal. It literally refreshes every 5 minutes using its own web crawlers. It assigns a unique quality score to each link, instantly separating the high-impact endorsements from the garbage spam. Oh, and you can export a staggering 200,000 backlinks per domain totally for free. That's huge.
Okay, let's make sense of this data in Section 5, decoding the backlink metrics.
We all know Google's EEAT framework by now, right? Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Well, when these tools uncover a backlink from a highly authoritative site, they are directly confirming that your site is firing off the exact right EEAT signals to Google's algorithm. It's proof that you're hitting the mark.
But when you're analyzing that profile, you absolutely have to keep a hawk eye on your anchor text.
Look, if every single site links to you using the exact same robotic keyword, these tools will flag it and search engines are going to view it as super manipulative. The data needs to show natural variety and actual organic relevance.
You're also going to spot some competing domain-level metrics across these different dashboards. Domain rating is Ahrefs' 0 to 100 score. Domain authority is Moz's version. Citation flow is from Majestic. While the underlying math differs between them, they all serve the exact same purpose, helping you gauge the true influence of a website so you know which links will actually move the needle for you.
Finally, bringing it all together in Section 6, Building Your Link Strategy.
First things first, we need to talk about the number 10. You've got to have patience here, because research shows it takes an average of 10 weeks for a newly discovered backlink to actually impact your Google rankings. You're doing the hard work today, but the algorithm needs time to digest and apply that new authority.
So to guarantee those rankings actually rise after that 10-week waiting period, your focus has to be strictly on quality over quantity. The data doesn't lie, your links must be naturally earned, use relevant anchor text, and come from highly reputable, competitive domains in your specific niche. Leaning on shady, manipulative tactics, that's just a one-way ticket to a penalty, not growth.
You now have this incredible arsenal of 11 free investigative tools right at your fingertips. We're talking everything from massive crawlers like Ahrefs to desktop powerhouses like SEO SpyGlass. The evidence is out there waiting for you. So, the only question left to ask is, which of these tools are you going to fire up right now to start uncovering your website's hidden authority? Thanks for joining this explainer, and happy investigating.